Hi, my name is Maverick and welcome to Build.com's From Our Kitchen to Yours. Today we're going to be making pork ragu with fresh tagliatelle pasta. So we're here in the Build.com studio, and these sets go up and down every 6 weeks or so. But when I saw this kitchen, I just had to cook in here. So what better way to test a range than to cook on it for a couple hours, making ragu sauce and making fresh pasta on this island. So where we're gonna start today is by building the mirepoix for the sauce. Mirepoix is a really fancy sounding French word. It really just means your basis of herbs, onions, and vegetables to start building the flavor for your sauce. So now we've got our base vegetables all chopped up and ready to go in the pan when we need them. I'm gonna grab the pork. So this is a picnic shoulder. So we're gonna chop it into 1/2-inch cubes, and we're gonna get a nice sear on it. I wouldn't overthink this process. You really just want to get it nice and just like slightly brown. You want to get a lot of, kind of render some of that fat into the rest of the pot. And we're going to set that aside. And then we're going to start adding the mirepoix to the pot. So we've seared the pork. We've added the mirepoix. We've got it nice and sauteing right now. I added some broth. I'm gonna add these tomatoes, and then we're gonna put the pork back in, and then we're gonna get the pasta making. Today we're making tagliatelle, which is an egg-based pasta. So we've got some double aught flour, some eggs, a little olive oil, a little salt. All right, so we're gonna thin this out a little bit more, and then we're gonna roll it up and we're gonna cut it into noodles. Now that we've got all the noodles cut, we're gonna start boiling some water and we're gonna start cooking. So there we have it. We've got a pork ragu with the tagliatelle pasta. It's really been a pleasure cooking in this big, beautiful kitchen. And I would suggest pairing this with a nice red wine, maybe a Chianti or a Pinot Noir. And if you're interested, make sure to check out this recipe online by clicking the link below. Tune in next time in our next kitchen. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below and head on over to Build.com for everything you need for your next project.